one of the questions that we get asked on the daily. Mulch or pine straw? So in my personal opinion, I always take a look at, what's the environment? Do you have pine trees? Do you have gutters? If you have pine trees, obviously you don't want to lay down mulch because you're just going to waste money and you're going to get stuck full of beds with pine straw. With that being said, as far as mulch goes, if you don't have gutters, you need to take into consideration that mulch washes a lot faster with heavy rainfall and things like that versus pine straw. As far as price goes, it's the exact same. You're not going to break the bank on either or. Preference as far as looks go, that's just going to be your own personal opinion. There's no facts for us to say one is going to do better than the other. Everything is subjective whenever it comes to choosing pine straw or mulch. But if you guys have any questions or anything, just leave them down below. Thank you.